1. 7 quick high-protein meals for busy days, easy recipes, and meal prep ideas. 2. 7 underrated high-protein foods you're not eating, but should be. 1. 7 quick high-protein meals for busy days, easy recipes, and meal prep ideas. Enough with the same old chicken dinner every night. You're not alone if you pick up your fork and sigh, wondering how to keep your protein intake exciting. But here's the catch. You don't need hours in the kitchen or a pantry full of gimmicky powders to hit your protein targets. Read on for 7 straightforward, dietitian-approved meal ideas that swap monotony for flavor and nutrition. No chef's hat required. But here's where it gets controversial. Many people swear by protein bars and shakes as a go-to solution, yet registered dietitian Kristen Kirkpatrick raises an eyebrow. Are these ultra-processed snacks really the best way to build muscle and feel full? Or should we focus on whole foods that offer more than just protein? Keep reading to discover why your favorite grab-and-go bars might need some competition. What exactly is a high-protein meal? To put it simply, a high-protein meal provides at least 1/3 of your daily protein needs. If you're aiming for 90 grams of protein each day, a single meal should clock in at roughly 30 grams of protein. That calculation isn't set in stone. You'll adjust based on your age, sex, activity level, and health goals. For general guidance, the dietary guidelines for Americans suggest about 56 grams per day for men over 19, while many athletes or bodybuilders target 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight to support muscle growth and recovery. And this is the part most people miss. Timing and meal spacing also play a role. In many Western diets, breakfast is light on protein, so experts like Michael Reavis Jr., lead sports dietitian at Fit with Food, recommend doubling down on lunch and dinner. Conversely, Kristen Kirkpatrick makes a compelling case for starting your day with a protein punch. It can boost satiety, sharpen focus, and curb unhealthy snacking later on. Here's how to make each bite count, whether you're grabbing a quick breakfast or winding down after a tough workout. 1. Choose whole foods over ultra-processed ones. It's tempting to rely on that chocolate-flavored protein bar or ready-made shake, but whole foods pack a nutritional punch that processed products simply can't match. Instead of grabbing a bar, peel an orange and pair it with a handful of almonds and a hard-boiled egg. You'll get fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and at least 10 grams of protein, without the artificial sweeteners or additives hiding in many protein-branded snacks. Controversial takeaway asterisk: is the gym bag bar really superior to a simple plate of turkey slices, cheese, and apple slices? Many dietitians would say no. 2. Don't sleep on plant proteins. The assumption that high protein always means meat or eggs is outdated. Tofu, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans all bring 15 to 20 grams of protein per cooked cup, plus valuable fiber, iron, and antioxidants. A study even showed plant-based and animal-based proteins are equally effective for muscle gain when total protein is matched. Better yet, most plant proteins are ready in 5 to 10 minutes or need zero cooking. Hello, canned beans tossed into a salad. 3. Make quinoa your secret weapon. You might love rice, but quinoa delivers double the protein in the same serving size. 1 cup of cooked quinoa adds about 8 grams of protein, compared with only 4 grams in white rice. Mix it with black beans, diced peppers, and a cilantro lime dressing for a colorful bowl that ticks off protein, fiber, and healthy carbs in one go. 4. Greek yogurt plus protein powder equals power snack. Yes, we're giving protein powder another moment in the spotlight, but in the context of a whole food. Stir a scoop of unflavored or vanilla protein powder into plain Greek yogurt, then sprinkle with nuts, seeds, or fresh berries. In just 60 seconds, you've created a 25 to 30 gram protein snack that's perfect post-workout or as a filling breakfast. Cottage cheese fans can follow the same formula: cottage cheese plus powdered whey or plant protein, plus fruit or spices like cinnamon. 5. Prioritize foods that do double or triple duty. Building balanced meals is easier when you choose ingredients that bring more than one nutrient to the table. Beans deliver protein, complex carbs, and fiber. Salmon offers protein plus omega-3 fats for brain and heart health. Avocado mixes healthy fats with fiber and a bit of protein. The fewer individual ingredients you need, the quicker you can assemble a colorful, nutrient-packed plate. 6. Cast your net. Go fish. Fish is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, while also supplying heart-healthy unsaturated fats, especially omega-3s. Tinned options like tuna, salmon, sardines, And even mackerel are shelf-stable, portable, and perfect for salads, sandwiches, or straight from the can. Each 3-ounce serving of tuna packs about 20 grams of protein and 0 carbs, making it an unbeatable convenience food. 7. Swap traditional pasta for protein-enriched varieties. You've probably noticed pasta aisles stocked with chickpea, lentil, or edamame noodles. While these won't replace your entire protein intake, they typically contain 12 to 15 grams of protein per serving, twice the amount found in traditional wheat pasta. Combine them with grilled chicken, sautéed shrimp, or a creamy cottage cheese sauce, and you've got a high-protein dinner on the table in under 15 minutes. Final controversy: variety versus tradition. Registered dietitian Andy DeSantis warns against pigeonholing yourself into a single diet trend. Sure, chicken breast, eggs, and lean beef are classic sources, but sticking exclusively to these can leave you missing out on other nutrients. Embrace a mix of animal and plant proteins, play with grains like barley or farro, and experiment with international flavors. Think spiced chickpeas, miso-glazed fish, or tempeh tacos. So what's your take? Are you ready to ditch boring chicken dinners and explore these high-protein options? Or do you think supplements still have a place in everyday meals? Share your thoughts below, and let's spark a debate. Your next favorite recipe might come from the comments section. 2. 7 underrated high-protein foods you're not eating, but should be. Stuck in a protein rut? You might be missing out on powerhouse nutrition hiding in plain sight. As both a certified personal trainer and nutritionist, I constantly see clients trapped in a cycle of chicken breast and protein shakes. But here's the eye-opener. Protein diversity isn't just exciting, it's scientifically essential. Let me introduce you to 7 nutritional game changers you've probably overlooked that can revolutionize how you hit your daily protein targets. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these might challenge everything you thought you knew about protein sources. /in the protein powerhouses you're not eating, but absolutely should /in 1. Canned tuna. Beyond basic sandwiches, this pantry staple delivers a whopping 25 grams of lean protein per 3-ounce serving. Its affordability and shelf stability make it perfect for emergency meals. Imagine elevating pasta dishes or salads instantly, all while getting heart-healthy omega-3s /in 2. Kefir. Move over yogurt. This tangy fermented dairy drink packs 10 grams of protein per cup while delivering live probiotics. Think of it as a double-duty digestive aid and muscle builder, blended into morning smoothies for gut health that tastes like a creamy treat. /in 3. Seitan. Plant-based friends, meet your protein hero. Created from wheat gluten, this meat substitute delivers 21 grams of protein per 3 ounces with satisfying chewiness. Perfect example? Sizzling seitan strips can transform stir-fries into muscle repair power meals. But here's the catch. Gluten-sensitive folks should approach cautiously. /in 4. Egg whites. 0 fat, pure protein, about 3.6 g per white. Ideal for calorie-conscious fitness enthusiasts. Whip them into fluffy omelets with veggies for breakfast that fuels workouts without weighing you down. /in 5. Bison. This lean red meat superstar offers 22 g protein per 3-ounce cooked portion, outperforming beef with less fat and more iron. Try bison burgers for a flavor-packed protein upgrade that delivers B vitamins for energy metabolism. /in 6. Pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate these crunchy gems. 1 ounce provides 7 g protein plus magnesium for muscle function and zinc for immunity. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or blend into nut butter for a snack that fights inflammation. /in 7. Anchovies. These tiny flavor bombs pack 17 g protein per 3.5 ounce can alongside omega-3s. Melt them into dressings or pasta sauces. They're the secret umami boost that makes vegetables irresistible while building lean tissue. /in strategic protein integration throughout your day. /in morning. Fuel with egg white scrambles or kefir smoothies. /in lunch. Revitalize salads with seitan or tuna. /in dinner. Swap beef for bison in tacos or stir-fries. /in snacks. Pumpkin seeds straight or blended in shakes. /in. Flavor boosts. Anchovies and sauces or atop pizzas. /in why protein variety isn't optional. It's critical. /in rotating protein sources provides complete nutrition that single-source diets can't match. Different proteins offer unique benefits. like kefir's gut-healing probiotics or pumpkin seeds' magnesium for nerve function. This diversity prevents taste fatigue, making dietary consistency easier long-term. Plant-based eaters especially need varied proteins to ensure all essential amino acids are covered. Seitan Plus Seeds creates a complete protein profile, for instance. /in the undeniable advantages of ample protein. /in muscle synthesis and repair. Protein provides amino acids, the literal building blocks for muscle growth and tissue repair after workouts. Research confirms adequate protein supports everything from hormone production to cellular maintenance. /in enhanced fullness. Protein triggers satiety hormones more effectively than carbs or fats, naturally curbing overeating. This makes weight management sustainable without constant hunger, crucial for lasting results. /in metabolic boost. Digesting protein burns more calories than other nutrients through thermogenesis. This metabolic lift complements active lifestyles for better energy utilization. /in about your guide. Christine brings expertise as a certified personal trainer and nutritionist, holding an undergraduate degree from Missouri State University. Her approach blends science with practical nutrition strategies. /in controversial corner. While high-protein diets offer benefits, some experts argue excessive intake strains kidneys. What's your take? Do these unconventional protein sources excite you or seem too niche? /in further nutrition conversations. /in bird flu and your diet. Understanding the impact on eggs and dairy. /in recent avian influenza outbreaks affect poultry and dairy cattle across multiple states. Learn how this impacts your kitchen staples and safe consumption practices. /in the butter debate. Health trend or hazard. /in social media buzzes with influencers eating straight butter sticks. We consult Harvard-trained nutrition coach Sam Cutler to separate fact from fad regarding butter's health implications. /in exercise motivation crisis. New data reveals why we fizzle out. /not dimetize talker research study explores why January gym enthusiasm fades by spring. Discover science-backed strategies to maintain workout consistency when motivation dips. /in now I'm curious. Which underrated protein source surprised you most? Have you tried any, or do you have concerns about incorporating them? Share your thoughts below. Let's debate and discover together.